You have bought a villa in Samui or you're just planning to and want to rent it out? We've been in this business for years and have seen the owners face the same recurring problems. Today we'll talk about the 5 key challenges that prevent you from earning and how our property management solves them. One of the most common mistakes is not knowing what price to set. Many owners either underprice and lose income or overprice and end up with 0 bookings. We monitor the market daily, analyze competitors and set the optimal price so we can balance high occupancy and profitability. We also factor in seasonality, rental duration and tenant profile. The second point is the strategy. Today, it is not enough just to list your villa on Airbnb or Booking.com. You need a strategy. Which platforms to use, what photos and videos to showcase, and how to write the compelling descriptions. We write content that truly works and select the right rental strategy. Short-term or long-term, or maybe hybrid, but based on the owner's goals. The third point is guest communication. Check-ins and check-outs, guest support, arranging extra services is a full-time job. Guests may ask thousands of questions, arrive late, request transfers, massage, meals, personal chef, and sometimes emergencies can happen. Things get broken, furniture gets stained, or rules are violated. We handle all the communication and service, protect the owner's interests, and maintain the villa's reputation. Point number 4 is financial control. Everyone loves income, but only a few are ready to maintain accurate records. We handle guest payments, prepare financial reports, and forecast ROI. At any time you can see how much you earned, what expenses were, and what you can expect for the upcoming season. The next point is the villa management. A villa needs constant care, even when it's not occupied. That includes pest control, routine repairs, and monitoring all the technical systems. We handle both scheduled maintenance and urgent issues. If the owner is not on the island, we fully represent their interests and take care of everything locally. And finally, renting out a villa is a business and it needs a system. If you want your property to work for you, generate income, and not take up your time, just contact us. We'll take care of everything from the first photo to the final cleaning after the guests. All contact details are in the description below in this video. See you soon.